Hey guys, Sandra here from Gitana Styling and the Fashion Entrepreneur Club. Today is our final day of our mini video series, and if you have joined me so far, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your likes, for your messages. I'm super happy that you have found these helpful. If you haven't watched the other videos, they're gonna remain here on Instagram for you, so don't fret, you can go back and rewatch them. Okay, I did this video series to help you, if you're just starting out and you want to get organized, your ideas organized about your fashion business, or perhaps you've been in business for a while but you need to kind of like step back and reanalyze what's happening. This is for you as well. Or if you're just thinking about having a fashion business and you want to get yourself organized, this is for you also. Remember that you can download all the workbooks that I've created for you for free. There's a link in our bio. You can go to the bio, then click there, and then the first one is gonna say free guides, build a fashion business that works for you and your life. And if you register for that for free, then you're gonna get immediately the first workbook, and then the next day the second one, and then the next day the third one. Okay, now just to give you a quick recap, the first video, we talk about your why you started the business, and how you can turn that why into a how. Okay, and that one is good because if you're just starting out, it's great because immediately you can put into practice those ideas that you have in your head. But if you've been in business for a while, perhaps you have forgotten, right, what you promised yourself in the beginning, or what you thought you were gonna do with your customers, or what you promised to the people around you. It's a good video to watch to just remember what you stand for and why you started, and how to put those things into practice. Okay, and the second day, the second video, we talked about money, we talked about sales, how do you generate an income in your business, if you have your income streams, how many do you have, and to get you organized in that area and figure out what's working and not working. So that's another great one to watch. And of course, yesterday, which is video number 3, we kind of put together a plan, an action plan, because this is not only about just talking, right? This is about getting you to take action, so you can fix all the issues that you may be facing right now. Now, I want to encourage you that if you watch the series and you download the workbooks and you fill them out, if you have any questions, please let me know. Let me know here below. I'm here to support you 100%, and I'll be happy to create other videos answering your questions. So please feel free to send them here. If you don't want me to say your name or anything like that, no worries. Just send me a DM and be like, hi, I would like you to talk more about this, or I would like you to talk more about that. Or also you can join our free Facebook group, Fashion Entrepreneur Club Hangout, which there's a link also in our bio. And you can ask there. We are 500 plus members in there, and you can ask questions. You can, I show up live sometimes. I share resources. That's also another way to get connected with me. Now, I want to remind you that this month, right, and we're in March, the 27th, which is a Monday, we are gonna host an online workshop that is all about putting together your business strategy. So in the workshop, we're gonna jump on Zoom, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna help you set a strategy for your business. So all the steps that take place from the moment that you bump into your potential customer, all the way to they become a customer. So where do you bump into them, what do you tell them, what do you offer them, how do you nurture that relationship, and how do they become that customer. Okay, so if you want to reevaluate your business strategy, or you want to think of a new one, or you want to get ideas, please join us. We will be super happy to have you. You'll be online on Zoom March 27th. You'll be at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If that time doesn't work for you, no worries. We will have a replay. So within 24 hours, you get an email with the video, so you can take it, at your own pace. Okay. So the link for that is also in our bio. You can just go to the bio, and then under news and events, the first one is the workshop. It's called Let's Plan Your Business Strategy Workshop. and you can go ahead and sign up in there. It's only $25, okay? What else? Oh, the giveaway. So I promised that I was doing a giveaway, and I was going to give away our most popular workbook from our Etsy store, which is the 20-minute business plan template. It's a 10-page workbook that helps you put together your business plan. So I do have a winner, and the winner is Nirma Ally, or Ali. I'm sorry, Nirma, if I'm mispronouncing your name, but I'm gonna go ahead and send you a DM and send you that workbook. Okay. Thank you so much for your likes all the time and comments and everything, and thank you all of you guys that have participated and send me questions and given me some likes and support. Like I said, this is for you. I don't want this to end here. If you like the videos, if you enjoy the exercises and you want to continue to take action, right, I encourage you to, join us in the Facebook group, join our planner club subscription, where you can get a planner a month and you can get my support. You can ask me questions. You can join workshops and things like that to get you, to move forward in your business. For that, I also have the links in our bio for the planner club if you're interested. And yeah, if that's not the moment right now for you to join the planner club, then join the Facebook group, and start getting connected there and start getting to meet other people and ask these questions and get answers to move forward. So thank you so much, guys. I know I've shared a lot of different links and information. I'll make sure to leave all that stuff below for you. And like I said, if you have any questions about these videos or any other subjects, let me know, because I will come again and do more videos and answer. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Again, Nirma, congratulations. Thank you so much for participating, and I will see you guys in our next post, in our next video inside the Facebook group. Okay, bye guys.